ngiyayithanda isoccer kakhulu. I'm a Orlando Pirates fan. Kunomthetho kwa soccer othi ungayithengi player nama injuries. That is why mawuthenga player kube ne physical testing. Funa kuyiphasile. Kune player abayibiza uMonyane ye Pirates edlalela iChiefs manje. Inama injuries. And manje sikhuluma manje ikwi injury. Ayilimalanga kwa Chiefs, ilimale kwa Pirates. Ama injury azovuka kwa Chiefs. Ayilimalanga lana kwa Chiefs ithunakele and cost Chiefs ngoba ilimale kwa Pirates. Ungangeni ku relationship nomuntu olimele. Ungakulinge ungene ku relationship nomuntu olimele, ungangeni ku relationship nomuntu owalinyazwa indoda eyayingena ngo12 o'clock endlini ngoba uzothi noba ungena ngo8 o'clock kuvuka ama injuries awusamlimazi but uyamthunuka. If before singene ku relationship sivumelane masike siqale senza ama physical test, asenze relationship test ulimele kangakanani so that ingazukunyathela next time. Because zonke izinto sizoxatyaniswa zizinto sihlukaniswe zizinto engazange zenziwa yimi but ezenziwa ku relationship obuya kuyo. Ulimele kangakanani mntwami? Sanibonani.